What's up, everyone? I want to walk you through a pre-market trade I caught during the live today. Yes, I was live for pre-market. I don't do that often. Everyone asked yesterday during the New York live, if I would go live for CPI. So CPI was nasty, right? Just kind of made a huge move right before, that it was released, and this is the candle we got. So I was patient. This candle gave us a new higher volume point here, this point of control. Once this candle formed, I said, okay, if we pull back to this 900 area, I'm going to try longs, keeping my stop below this candle here or a close back below the 9 EMA. I got in around 905, set my stop. We had a nice push up. We trimmed. I think the next trim was right above high day here. I ended up getting out of this trade around 70 points in profit, which is great. And to be honest, the price action for New York session this week on NQ just has not been good. I'm trying to think if I left anything out here. You see anything about this trade you don't understand, leave me some questions in the comments or join my live trading session, which will start in the morning at 9:15 a.m. ET. Would love to have you there. Good vibes. It's a very good crowd. Love the community we've built together there. Appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.